This is the Bluestreak equipment Magnum Series assembly instructions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to assemble a Magnum here for you. First step, we're going to install the wheels. This is the magnet assembly. I'm going to take it and turn around so you can see what I'm doing a little bit better. We're going to install the two 6-inch wheels that are provided. We'll take the 1/2-inch bolt and we'll insert it through the wheel on the cup side. And you'll notice that the inside of the wheel has got a protrusion sticking out. So you want to make sure that that is on the inside when you assemble your sweeper. What we'll do is we'll insert that bolt through there and thread a nut in all the way. Then we'll take a lock nut and put it on top of that, and we'll repeat that for the other wheel also. So you insert the bolt into your wheel, thread on a nut all the way, insert the lock nut. Then the Magnum's got two different height settings. You can pick whichever height you'd like. If you're on a pretty smooth surface, you can put it on the lower setting, or if you're in grass, you might want it on the higher setting. I'll just set it up on the lower setting. You take the wheel and you insert it through the hole of your choice. I'm going to put it in the top hole. And then you thread on another nut. We'll repeat that procedure for the other side using the same top hole. We'll thread on another nut. Now to tighten this up, you use your two 3/4 inch wrenches. What I do is I hold the inside nut and then I'll turn the outer nut. And you want to tighten those up pretty firmly so your wheel stays attached. We'll repeat for the other side. Tighten them up firmly. Now your wheels are attached. I'll take the sweeper and turn it around. And next we're going to install the lower Y handle arms. You notice the arms have two different ends on them. One end has a smaller pitch and one end has a bigger pitch. The bigger pitch goes at the top of the sweeper and the smaller pitch obviously goes at the bottom. So what we'll do is we'll take a bolt with a washer on it. And we'll install the handle so that the curve is coming in towards the middle of the sweeper. So what we'll do is we'll take a bolt and we'll insert it through the top hole on the sweeper. And then we'll take one and insert it in the bottom hole. Now both of these lower Y handle arms are symmetrical, so you can use either arm on either side, but you've got to use the top on the top and the bottom on the bottom just because of the difference of the pitch of holes. So we'll go ahead and we'll install one on this side. Repeat the same procedure as the other side. Make sure the handle's curving inward. Insert a bolt. Insert your second bolt. Then you want to go ahead and put a washer and then a nut on those two bolts. Same thing for the opposite side. Install a washer and then a nut. Now you don't want to tighten these up at this point. We're going to wait till we install the upper part of the Y handle. So you use your remaining 2 3/4 inch bolts. I've already installed a washer on them. You'll insert the bolt through one lower Y handle, through the corresponding hole in the upper Y handle. So it's a little bit difficult doing this backwards so you can see it. And then install it through the other Y handle side. We'll install the bottom bolt. Then we'll take a washer on each and install a nut on each one. Now that you've got all of these nuts on, you can go ahead and use your two 7/16 wrenches. I'm using a ratchet and a wrench just to speed up the video. And you can go ahead and firm these up. Then you can tighten up the bottom bolts also till they're firm. And now once all your bolts are tight, now your Magnum sweeper is ready for use.